Hey guys, welcome to the Nate Take. My name is Nathan, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a teaser for a new channel that I've created called Murphy's Creations. I've got a woodworking business that I've finally created. I've been wanting to do that for a very long time. I've finally started a woodworking business, and so this new channel is going to be all about the adventures over there doing woodworking. Might be a little bit of metalwork mixed in, but it's going to primarily be woodworking related content. So the very first video, which is going to be going live at 4 p.m. this afternoon, Eastern Standard Time, is a video on the rolling cart that I made for this miter saw. And it's a huge improvement. Previously, I had the miter saw stored up on the wall. It was extremely hard to get to. It was difficult, and I just tended not to use it very much. Now with this, it's going to make things so much easier. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, go check it out on the new channel, Murphy's Creations. I'll also go ahead and have a link to it right up in one of these corners where the cards are at. I'm going to be doing tool reviews. I'm going to be doing this shipping container that's my workshop. I got to build it out and finish it, creating a workshop out of it. I'm going to be doing videos on that. I've got reviews on Harbor Freight tools. I've got reviews on not Harbor Freight tools. I've got all sorts of stuff coming up in the pipeline. It should be a really fun channel if you enjoy woodworking. I'm going to try to figure out what everybody likes. So if you want to have input on how the channels run, go over there, subscribe early, and let me know down in the comments of that channel, not this video. Let me know in the comments of the videos that I'm putting up on that channel what you think would be cool to see. It's going to be linked all over the place on this video, down in the description, in the top comment. There's going to be cards going off all over this video with links to the new channel. Once again, it's called Murphy's Creations, and it's going to primarily be about woodworking. The other opportunity you guys will have through this new channel is you'll be able to buy stuff directly from me. So stuff that I make in my workshop, you guys can purchase from me. I've got a website set up called murphyscreations.com, and on there I will post stuff that I make in my workshop that you guys can then buy from me, and I'll ship it right to your door or wherever you accept packages on your property. It may not be your door, I don't know. Another thing I want to do with this channel is I want to have a request form, which is going to be up on the website, where you guys can request a particular project. Give me your ideas, and if I pick your ideas from the list, then I'll make a video on the creation of it, and then that item will go up on the website where everybody who goes to the website will be able to buy it. I think that will be a really cool way for me to interact with my fans on the video, and it'll be a good way for you guys to interacting with me, because, you know, your idea made it on the channel. That'll be really cool. I haven't seen a lot of other channels that do that, so I think that'll be interesting. I'm up for almost anything reasonable. I'm not a professional woodworker. I've been just doing hobby woodworking for most of my life, probably at least since before high school. I don't remember exactly when I got into it. This bench that actually I use, I built in 2012, and that was after several years of being already into the hobby. I don't do a lot of fine furniture. Most of what I do is farmhouse style, because that's what's most popular right now. And knickknacks and stuff. Like, I'll go to craft shows and fairs and sell stuff there, flea markets, places like that. So, but yeah, so definitely any ideas you have, put them in my request form on the website, and you just might see your project on the channel. I think that's about it. I don't think I have anything else right now. I got to go run and get this video edited fast and uploaded, because I pushed it off until the day that the new channel is launching, which was a massive mistake, but you know, I got to deal with that. So until next time, guys, this is Nathan signing off.